Meanwhile, the double murder involving a man and his female companion in St. Thomas is being described as heart-wrenching. Reports are that around 10 p.m. on Saturday, 40-year-old Jermaine Jeffrey drove to Main Street Seaforth to pick up 50-year-old Andrea Maxine Bell, a shop operator and bar operator. While sitting inside the vehicle, men standing behind a fence fired several shots, hitting both victims multiple times. The Seaforth police were alerted. Both victims were pronounced dead at hospital. Political representatives of the Seaforth Division are urging residents to tell the police what they know.
"28 years I represent this division, and it's the first I have seen it like this. First. And I'm asking the citizen to work with me, to work with the police, and see what we can do to bring down the crime.
You know, we are so saddened in this community. We have been trying many things. We have been speaking to many persons, and we have been asking these young men to find another way to deal with their situations rather than committing crime. And you know, I'm going to say this, it might sound harsh, but if persons are paying you to kill people, stop. There are other ways and methods that you can use to earn a living rather than killing persons for either monetary gain or otherwise.